I'm so ready for spring, but it feels like winter outside. It's the end of February, and I wanted to show you guys some outfits incorporating maybe some like spring or even nearly summertime pieces and how to dress them for cold weather. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I know a lot of us are trying not to buy as much or buy ahead of the season or whatever, so maybe digging in the back of your closet or digging out pieces that aren't necessarily deemed for the weather that's happening can help us in styling them in a bit different way. So maybe this sparks something for you with your own closet. Maybe it's just fun to watch. I wanted to style capris because I am very excited to start wearing them, and in like the summer and more true springtime, I want to wear capris with just, you know, kitten heels and ballet flats and even just sneakers. But right now it's too cold, and I think it's weird to wear capris when it's like so cold outside. I think something that makes people look effortlessly fashionable is dressing weather appropriately. Wearing capris and like springtime clothes in the dead of winter, at least in Michigan, it gives like 5th grade boy refusing to ever wear pants and wearing shorts all school year long. So I'm gonna put some boots on. Normally I would just grab my like pointed toe heeled boots, but I just know that I'd never wear them like day to day, and I wanna give like casual outfits. So we're gonna do my moto boots and see if we can make them work. We'll try. This is an experimenting video. I know you guys like them. Is it weird with moto boots? Let's just keep going and see what happens. I think I want to bring an edginess to this. Maybe just all black. I don't think that looks bad. I think it honestly just looks really chic. You kind of don't even question it. Do you really notice that they're capris? No, you don't. This hood is from a coat, and I think I could make it look like cute. It kind of gives bonnet. It's just like, you know, an attachable or a detachable hood on a coat? That's all it is. I'm sure you guys have them. And then it attaches with buttons, so there's 2 loops right here. I'm just gonna string some like yarn through it. I did knit this, and then it'll be cute. One sec. I think it's fun. I kind of wanted to show you guys this because I have that little bonnet that looks really similar to this, but I know those are like impossible to find. Like, I don't know, do we like the capris with boots, with the moto boots? I've done it before with like riding boots, but I wanted to try it like this. I really want a pair of like suit pants like this, but that go all the way down and are a little flared at the end. We're making do right now with these. I don't know, I think it's fine. I don't think anybody would question this outfit unless, except for the bonnet. Is this outfit number 1? Why did the sunglasses just always help it? I love these sunglasses. Anybody want to floss their teeth? Okay, I don't even use those, so I don't know whose that is. Here's outfit number 1. Styling capris for when it's still cold out. Next thing we're gonna style is this little baby doll dress from Reformation. I miss my baby doll dresses and my son dresses so much. They're just so easy to wear in the summertime. It's literally all I wear. I'm really happy that this one fits me a lot better than it did last summer. Last summer it was pretty constricting because I had new boobs, new breastfeeding boobs. And I think it's cute with the capris, but we gotta layer. So I'm gonna add this cotton cranberry sweater that I think will just really nicely complement the white. Then I don't love the black now with these colors, so I don't think I'm gonna just do black tights, which would be easier. I think I'm gonna do like a pants and dress situation. Wish me luck. Like I said, we're experimenting. So I wanted to try this brown long skirt that's actually from Cider. Like now it's just like a little tiered moment. I think that this is really cute and fun to add just like a long skirt under a short one. I think if I had a long white maxi skirt, this would be really good, but I don't love the colors like this. I know somebody would, but I don't. So I think I'm gonna be more like realistic and add jeans. I was gonna add green cargos. Do you guys wanna see that? Let's show. I just know the color of the cargos will go really nicely. Oh, I have plaid tights. That could work. I almost have too many choices now. I am so into colors. I need a steamer, you guys, so badly. But I'm so into colors right now and like what colors look good together. And I just knew that this, and this would look really good. Like, I think it's fun, honestly. It gives like little girl playing dress up. And like I'm into that right now because I just want my baby to play dress up already. Okay, but I'm gonna try these tights. I'm trying to tone it down to like what I think I would wear more realistically. I don't know, this color scheme might be wrong. Not like that. I don't even want to bother putting the other one on. I'm gonna go with what I thought from the get-go. Like, isn't it kind of cute? Like, if you're bored of your closet and you're just trying to like have fun, I think this is doing it. What do I want to do with this hair? Do I need something on top? I'm trying to get better at like accessorizing and thinking of, I don't know, thinking that far. Because normally I just like stop. Maybe just like hair up. Like, I didn't want to bring black into this, but like now that's what I feel like I have to do. And I kind of want to put those moto boots back on just to like balance it out. I don't know, I'm like struggling with a shoe. Ooh, bulky. Okay, then honestly any jacket could go on top, but I really like how the burgundy looks with the army green, but it might be like too dressed down. I don't know, I think this dress is honestly short enough that like, that's why I like it. I'm hiking it up here too. And now it's not like, you know, sitting correctly. I think that's cute. I think it's a fun way to wear your dress in the winter time. Obviously the like jacket covers it up a little bit, but take the jacket off. I think it's fun. I don't think it's horrible. The crop of the sweater works correctly. And it's just like flowy. It's cute. I don't think, again, anyone would bat an eye at this. You get to wear your little summer dress in the winter. Let's move on. I want to do my baby blue ballet flats. Start with this base that seems really random, but I'm into just like an all black outfit. This little cardigan set is from Peachy Den. If you guys want to shop there, you can use my code LANEY10. These pants are from Cotton. They're literally so comfortable, and they are great pants that I'm gonna wear like in the winter and summertime. Either a beret or a beanie. I feel like I neglect my beanies at the end of the year because then I'm just like sick of them, or the end of winter. But let's add the ballet flat. I'm gonna honestly keep, I don't know, because like if it's really cold out, you gotta keep socks on. Is the gray sock bad? I don't think the gray sock is bad. I'll keep it on, I'll keep it on. I have other sock colors like that I could, you know, rummage through, but I honestly think the gray is the best. I like ballet flats like with a long pant like this better with no sock, but I'm trying to be practical. So let's figure out what hat. I think the like pop of blue would be fun with another pop of color. Grabbing all my things. I don't know, do I hate the blue ballet flat? I have black ballet flats that I could try. I think if these ballet flats were like, I might have to do a different outfit with them. Could do kitten heel. Ooh. I was talking about socks with sandals. So this kind of goes with that. Do we hate the gray sock? I kind of like it. I'm into gray. I know a lot of people are right now. We can do the cat eye sunnies, or I just like these, you guys. Like, they're stupid and I like them. And then I was gonna do a brown bag with this all black outfit. Is this really bad? I can't tell. I know this was supposed to be styling my like kitten heels, but I think it just looks bad. Like, I think it'll look better like this. It's fine. We can try another with the kitten heels. We could do these ones, my little Clarks. But I really just think like, no, I think the Clarks are good. Do I consider the Clarks a summer shoe or a spring shoe? No. But I think that this is a really cute outfit. And I'd honestly be starving you guys if I didn't show it. So it makes me excited for my little beret in the springtime. This beret though is definitely winter appropriate as well. Everything's cute. I like an all black fit. This is just to give inspo. All black fit. Yeah, I absolutely adore these shoes and pants together. Holy S-H-I-T, I love them. Okay, let's try and style my blue ballet flats. My baby blue ballet flats now. I don't know how I want to go about it. I think I need to like do a skirt tight situation. As soon as I put on one thing black, I want to wear all black. No, I hate it. I absolutely detest it. These shoes have to be paired with color. This is fugly. So how am I gonna do this? These colors are really good together, but I do not like how much belly is showing. So I know what to do. This color is beautiful though, it's from Cotton, but it doesn't work with this. My friend Shoshi got me these and I just don't think I can pair them with socks. I think they have to be sockless. What is happening, you guys? I think I detest these shoes. Like, look how much better that already looks. It's those flats. Those are what are not working for me right now. If you have a piece that you're trying so hard to make work for you and absolutely nothing is working, you have to ditch it. Like, I don't care how bad you want to make it work, you have to ditch it. These jeans are new, they're from MOUSSY Vintage. And they're like, Brandon looks at them and he's like old school because they're tighter. And I think they're really cute and they're really nice quality, but like this outfit's giving nothing. I just wanted to show how fast I could fix it by ditching those. Okay, I want to show this little skirt from this small brand and how I'd style that in the winter. This little sweater is like one of my favorite pieces I've gotten, period. It is just so insanely perfect. The color makes everything so beautiful and like the cut of it is to die for. Oh my God. But this little skirt is from, wait, I forget the brand, Shelter. But like, I want to wear just like this, but we gotta add some tights because this is not warm enough. But I'm so excited to wear this skirt in the spring and summer. I don't have anything like it, so I love it. Oh my God, how cute would this be? Like, I just love this baby doll. This video is kind of me just playing dress up with you. But like this baby doll silhouette and a big chunky heel like that with a, like that's so cute. If I go to a wedding, I'm doing that. I want to do a wedding guest outfits video for you guys. Let me know if you're interested, but for this video, we got to add tights. I have red tights and polka dot tights, but I think that these are my best bet. I wish I had like gray or something, but whatever. I don't know if I want to put the white tight or socks back on. I think gray, honestly. If I can find the other one now. Oh, we could do like gray knee-high socks or thigh-high to hide a lot of the black we just put on. The black doesn't look horrible. If I do this though, we will figure it out. Normally I like a boot with it and then I'm like, am I just gonna put a black boot back on? Maybe I like the black better. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't know, is the white really stark? I think it's cute. Should I go like full schoolgirl with a padded? I love it. I was gonna say maybe the beanie because like the colors work so well. And like honestly, that's really cute too. It looks a lot more wintry. I think I want to go preppy. And like we don't need, why did I throw that? We don't need sunglasses with it. Like this is perfect as is. And then I'd probably just carry like a black bag. And then like if I needed a jacket, I would put a black jacket on. I don't have my little black jacket that I would pair with this. This is beautiful. I think that this is such a cute like Easter outfit. If you know Easter, a lot of times in Michigan at least, it's like snowing outside. This would be perfect. You need like a short jacket with this and it is so stinking adorable. Holy crap, I love this outfit. This whole video was worth it because of this outfit. Also, I was like really thinking about getting tabbies. And by really thinking about it, I mean I wanted them for the first time. But now like these shoes are better than a tabby to me. I just didn't like them at first because I didn't like that they were patent leather, but honestly, I don't even notice it now. I love this outfit. I don't even want to do anything else. Like, I just want to stay in this outfit. I need to take a picture in it, one sec. Like, I literally don't want to do anything else because I like this outfit so much. Should we do another challenge? But sometimes these challenges, it's like, who the F is even doing this? Oh wait, no, this isn't like a who the F. Look what I have. Look what fits my mommy milkers. I'm gonna put this on. My Orson Iris top, my most expensive piece of clothing, finally fits me again, so you guys will be seeing it again. That's why I haven't shown it, because it just didn't fit. Looks amazing already, but we have to like warm it up. I was thinking like, should I just put something underneath it? But sometimes I don't like how just like a tank top looks underneath, or how a tank top looks over top like a long sleeve. Sometimes I think it looks a little kiddish, but I think we can do it correctly, maybe with just like an all black base. And I normally like to wear this top like dressed down more day to day, but I just don't think that will work in the winter time. Like in the winter, this feels so formal. Ooh, what if we put a cardigan underneath it? The cardigan, I don't think is gonna fit underneath it. Like this top is still tight, but maybe we can do it like this. And I think the blue will look nicer than a black. So the sleeves will be too big if I leave them undone, so I might just tie them at the bottom. Or they'll be too bulky in here if I like put them on. So let's just, maybe they should have just stayed as they were. I'm gonna tie it back up because I don't think it looks horrible. Maybe we tie them in the back together. Okay, honestly, this is cute, but it looks too similar. Should we try to dress it down a bit more? Like, do I dare put jeans on? I think this is also just like, I think it's cute. I like it. We're like dressed up, but not aggressively. And I think it's pretty cute. I don't know what I would do about this bow in the back. I think if I had someone to help me, we can make it look a little bit better. But I think that this is something that you would like see on Pinterest. What I like to gauge is I'll put these outfits on TikTok, because people on TikTok are mean to me. They're mean to everybody. And then we can gauge if it's a good outfit or not. But also, people on TikTok have no taste a lot of the times. I think it's pretty. I think if you have like the Urban Outfitter corset and maybe you don't want to get rid of it, it is a relic of our time, pair it underneath a cardigan, and I think you can really like classy it up and maybe make it fit your style if you're like recently graduated or something like that. I know that this is not even close to the Urban Outfitters corset, but it's like a bustier top, so it is similar. I think it's really pretty, you guys. I love this, and I think it'd look cute with the basket. Oh my God, I love this. I never pair anything over the top, over the Orson Ayers top, because I just think it's too beautiful on its own, and I'm really happy I did. And I really like these jeans. It's different, but it's fun. And then obviously like just big trench over top, warm it up. It's cute. Yay, I'm having so much fun with this video now! Let's do one more, because I'm almost out of camera battery. I keep wanting to do is more shoes, but they prove to be impossible to me. And then I'm like, is it just dumb and no one's gonna do this at home? But I absolutely adore these shoes. I got them at the thrift store for literally $7. They're vintage Steve Madden, and they're so cute. I just don't know if I can style them with socks. Like, I think that it is so hard, and we've just had two really good ones. I think it's gonna be with these jeans, honestly. I think if we're gonna do it, it has to be in a way that's like, I know I'm doing something weird. I absolutely adore the top half of this outfit. They're so cute that it's almost not bad. I love just like the colors we've got going on up top. It's very 70s inspired, and that's kind of what I wanted to go with. Is like, maybe I don't know what I'm doing because it's 30 degrees outside and I'm wearing sandals and socks. I know what I'm doing because I know that like in theory these would go together. I also wanted it to like have emphasis on the shoe with, you know, a more tailored style pant. Also what I like about these pants is they're the only pants I've ever seen this style but are also low-waisted. I really don't love high-waisted, so that's why I'm like was willing to give these slimmer pants a try. They're not skinny jeans, so I don't even want to hear it. And then also just like a weird colored sock made it feel like I'm weird as is. Yeah, that's what goes through my head with styling these kind of outfits. But I had a lot of fun with this video. I keep saying this in my videos, but if you haven't had a date with your closet in a while, have a date with your closet. You can put so many fun clothes together. I'm excited to style these clothes. Wait, look how cute this would be. These clogs are from, oh God, Everlane, and they're so good. I can't wait again to style them this spring and summertime. Last year, honestly, my feet were a little bit too fat. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time, all in one place, all on your terms. Squarespace made building my online store a breeze. We sold out of our straw baby tees in under 10 minutes. And after, we were able to see what sizes sold out first, where a majority of our website visits were from, and how visitors navigated the site. With this information from our small test drop, Brandon and I are able to make the small changes to ensure our next fulfillment will be that much better. And stay tuned for our next drop and a super secret 300,000 subscriber giveaway on the site. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. Use your insights to grow your business, learn where your site visits and sales are coming from, and analyze which channels are most effective. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code LaineyOzark. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye!